All right, we're starting off with our milk chocolate M&Ms in our greased bundt pan. I have here my Dolly Parton's caramel sheet cake mix, and this actually comes with a caramel packet. So we're getting our caramel packet out, and we're gonna open this up. And we're gonna squeeze the caramel right on top of our M&Ms, just spreading it out as best as possible for this easy and delicious sweet fall treat. Obviously, I'm using those Halloween M&Ms that are black and orange, but you can use whatever M&Ms you like. You can even use the peanut ones, but I think that these are gonna be so delicious, and this caramel is gonna be great because who doesn't love caramel and chocolate together? All right, that looks good enough. We're gonna put this to the side and bring in a bowl and a whisk, and we are gonna use that caramel cake mix. I'm so excited. Caramel cake just sounds absolutely delicious, and we're gonna keep this super simple because we are just gonna make this a soda cake. So I have my ginger ale here that we're gonna use, but you can use a Sprite, you can use a root beer, you can use a Dr. Pepper, but I think ginger ale goes great with all these fall flavors, with the caramel, with the chocolate, and then we are gonna use 2 mini cans, or 1.5 mini cans, because I didn't have a full can, but usually you would use a full can for this. All right, that should be good enough. And then we're gonna go ahead and whisk this until it is well combined. Look how fluffy and delicious this looks. I can't believe that Dolly came out with a caramel cake mix. That just sounds so delicious. It's my first time trying this cake mix, but I have made this recipe before with other cake mixes. Oh, it looks so good, and it smells good too. Do you smell it, babe?
Oh my gosh, and I smell the M&Ms.
All right, this is ready. I really want to try this batter, but I'm gonna hold off. And we're gonna go ahead and bring back our greased bundt pan. It's important that it's greased, and we're gonna pour our batter right on top of those M&Ms and that caramel. Gotta do some maneuvering. I have a spatula here to help me. All right, we got that all out. We're gonna just make sure that this is even in our bundt pan, but that is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Oh my, this smells so delicious. So we actually had this in the oven closer to 40 minutes, and I am so ready to give this a try. We're gonna go ahead and put our cutting board right on top, and this should be able to flip right on our cutting board. Ooh, I'm so excited. Finally got under it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Those M&Ms look crazy. All right, it's time to give this a try. All right, I got my plate here, and let's cut a slice. Chocolate caramel cake. Okay, might want to let this cool so it doesn't fall apart like my slice did, but this looks so good.
Too excited.
Okay, I know, you guys know I can't wait. Chocolate caramel bundt cake.
Is it good?
Wow, that is so tasty. That cake mix with the M&Ms, oh, game changer.